wanted to be able to talk a little bit about continuous integration. For a number of folks, continuous integration, I guess, can mean a number of things. To me, continuous integration is having the ability to um, update my code base with other folks on my team. Usually, you're very rarely an individual, and you're the only person on the team writing your software. And it's very important to continually integrate with your peers, what their code they're doing, their tests that they're working on, if you're doing test-driven development, as well as just making sure that things are running smoothly on potentially the environment that you're deploying to. Uh, a great thing about continuous integration is the fact that it helps you to fail fast. So if you check in your code, and though things may run great on your machine, the whole works on my machine thing, that once you get it up to the build server, it actually may potentially bomb out on you. And that could be because there's maybe some dependency or some other thing that's happening. But it's a great indicator of that, and it really lets the team know immediately if something is wrong, or if some code change maybe is broken, the unit tests and whatnot. So it's very useful for that. The other great thing that's fantastic, and that's when you're using a build machine, is that also with continuous integration, if you're using a build environment with that as well, is that really you can do the builds and really parlay that into continuous deployment. So a number of products in different things that I worked on in the past have continuous deployment involved. So you're building a piece of software, all the tests run great on the environment, you have passed all the integration, and you're now able to actually deploy the website, or potentially build an application that then runs on the particular environment it needs to. So it really gives you some great feedback, and it's usually relatively instantaneous, being maybe at worst within a few minutes or so of making your code changes and committing them to the source. So it's very useful, but failing fast and being able to leverage that for other things like continuous deployment is fantastic and great for the team.